Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, we're in my bathroom right now because I'm about to film a wash day video because I kind of wanted to update you guys on my wash day routine. It's been different lately. I've been like rearranging how I normally wash my hair. Doing it this way helps me detangle a lot faster. Wash day seems to go a lot faster and just smoother. And I wanted to share everything that I've been doing on wash day to my hair with you guys. The products change, but the order in which I use them doesn't change that much. So I hope it helps you guys out, and so let's get into it. The very first thing I like to do is wet my hair completely. Water's too hot. Just drench my hair in water. Same thing for this section. And I always wash my hair in sections because it just makes life easier. I feel like I'm a lot more organized when I do it. Before I even start shampooing, I rarely pre-poo anymore because I've kind of been lazy. So instead of pre-pooing, I pre-condition, and I use a conditioner that, you know, I don't really mind. It's not that expensive, but it's not bad for my hair either. And I just work that into my hair before I even start shampooing it. This just allows for all the shed hair to come out, and I can do some light finger detangling before I even start the shampooing process. So I'm just gliding my hair down, gliding my hands down my hair, and getting rid of any shed hair that might be trapped in the process. I like to initially use my fingers to detangle because I find that I experience a lot more breakage, a lot less breakage. I can't talk today. Because my hair is high porosity, it is medium to fine density, so I have to be really gentle with my hair. Once I feel like that's pretty good and I got majority of the shedding out of my hair, I'm going to put that right back in the clip and add conditioner to the other section. And obviously the conditioner is going to soften my hair, hydrate it a little bit, because I don't like to go straight in with shampoo, especially when my hair is dry. Like, that's why I used to pre-poo all the time, because it helped to decrease breakage and it added moisture to my hair, because I feel like trying to shampoo your hair while it's dry is just a recipe for disaster, in my opinion. So I like to add conditioner just to soften things up, add a little moisture, get the tangles out as much as possible. So I'm going to rinse out the conditioner that I just applied to the first section, making sure the fingers detangle a little bit. And now I go in with my shampoo. If my hair is soft, it's ready to be cleansed. Today I'm using the Rich and Funky Moisturizing Cleanser from Uncle Funky's daughter. Like I said, the products change a majority of my wash days, so, but this is the order that I do it. Woo. You guys know I like to hold my hair taut while I lightly scrub my scalp, not with my nails, the pads of my fingers, and I work the shampoo down. sure to get my edges because I get a lot of product buildup around that area from edge control and all that stuff. Even when I shampoo, I still like to detangle my hair as much as I can, just separating it, not letting it clump up and tangle up on itself. Uncle Funky's Daughter, I really love their shampoos. They have a nice smell, like a spa-like, luxurious smell to it. This one is really good. It's moisturizing. I can detangle with it. I also like their Squeaky Clean shampoo as well. Once I feel like my scalp and my hair is shampooed enough, I rinse this out. Now that that's rinsed out, I like to go in with a co-wash. This is the new thing that I like to do as well, because I used to shampoo my hair twice, and then I started feeling like the shampoo was drying out my hair, and I didn't really feel like my hair needed to be cleansed the second time with shampoo per se. So now I go in with a cleansing conditioner or a co-wash, whatever you want to call it. This one is Bye Bye Buildup from Uncle Funky's Daughter. I also really like this one. This cleanses your hair, but conditions it at the same time. So it's like I'm not getting that drying effect that a second round of shampoo would do to my hair, but my hair is still getting cleansed from the ingredients in the co-wash as well. As you can see, I'm literally using my fingers to detangle throughout the entire process, so that by the time I get to my combs, it's not that much to do. And while I'm rinsing, I am going to detangle it. And now that the co-wash is rinsed out, I'm going to go in with this Heal and Renew Intensive Hair Mask. This is just the time in my wash day where I apply my deep conditioner to the sections. So while I'm washing in all the rest of the 3 sections, the conditioner has time, or the deep conditioner has time to, marinate, really get into my hair. Don't forget your edges because they need TLC from that deep conditioner as well. Let that do what it do. Clip it away, and I'm going to repeat that entire process on the rest of the 3 sections. I just literally finished rinsing out my deep conditioner, and the last thing I do before I even step out of the shower after I rinse out my deep conditioner is apply a leave-in. I don't know if this is technically a leave-in conditioner, but I'm going to use it as one. This is the Good Hair Conditioning Styling Cream, but I really like it because it has a lot of proteins in it, and you guys know I have high porosity hair, and I need all the strength I can get, the strength and the moisture. So I like to apply this before I get out the shower. I'm not going to rinse it out or anything. I just like to apply it immediately while I kind of like stretch and air dry my hair. It smells so good. Just to keep my hair moisturized. And then I'm going to twist it right back up for now, just to allow my hair to dry a little bit before I go into styling. But this just helps my hair not to get too dry during that process. My hair is so detangled. Literally this wash day went so smoothly. And I really feel like washing my hair like this, I've only been doing it for a couple weeks now, but I feel like I've noticed a lot less shedding, a lot less breakage. So I'm hoping that this helps me to retain length. Let me know in the comments if you guys are going to try this method of washing your hair. I'm not telling you that this is what you should do or anything, but this is what I just wanted to share it because this is what's been working for me, and it just makes the whole wash day process a lot easier for me, at least. So I'm just gonna finish up my hair, and I'm gonna close out this video right here because this is pretty much the end of the wash day part of my wash day. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!